Hey, it's Annie. Today I'm going to give you my honest review of this MaxCam portable charger for GoPro batteries. This is super awesome. I got it about 3 weeks ago and I've been using it pretty much continuously because I make video content like this and my GoPro constantly runs out of battery. So this particular charger, it comes with 3 receiving ports. And this is super convenient because I always have another battery on standby in case I'm in the middle of something and I need to continue recording. I can just switch it up, add the next one in. It's compatible with the actual OEM GoPro battery as well as the alternatives, which are these blue ones that I got in a different kit. Not as good, but I could definitely tell the difference when I'm using the GoPro batteries versus the alternatives. It does come with a USB-C wire, but it does not come with the actual adapter. But I just use the ones that I have around the house. Like this is my adapter for one of my phones, and I just put it in there. It has these little lights that line up here to tell you what's ready, what's not. The blue light is telling me that it is that this is fully charged. Okay, so that means the one on the far left is fully charged, blue, ready to go. The red means it is currently charging or it's empty, and the green light is telling me that it is plugged in. So take a look inside. We have the empty one and we have one that's charging and one that's already fully charged. Super simple, and the case is really sleek. It's very portable and small. It's less than the size of my palm, so I could easily throw this into my purse on the go. Really, really nice. I definitely recommend it. This has been really super handy. If you have a GoPro, you definitely need one of these.